Hi again. In this video, I will be trying to solve two simple examples related to resistors connected in series. So for the first example here, we have three resistors connected in series as we defined in our previous video. You can see that this resistor 1 connected by one end with R2, R2 on the other end connected only by one end with R3. Okay, and they're all making a series connections with the battery 9 volt. Now the first question asking to find the total resistance, and as we said before, the total resistance for finding the equivalent resistance in series, it's R1 plus R2 and plus R3. That will give us 310, 3 plus 10 plus 5, that will give us total 18 ohm. Okay, now the second part of the example is to find the total current in the circuit. Well, we can use Ohm's law for that. So the I total will be the voltage divided by R equivalent, and that will give us, it is 18 divided by, oh sorry, it is, let's erase this, okay, so it is the voltage of the battery, it's 9 divided by 18 ohm, and that's is 0.5, so it is 0.5 ampere. And as we said before, I total will be the same I1, the same I2, the same current going through the third resistor, because they are in series. Now to find the voltage across every single resistor, that should be easy. It's V1, it will be equal I1 times R1. For V2, it will be I2 times R2. And for the last one, V3 equal I3 times R3. Now, as we said in our previous video, the bigger the resistance of the resistor, the one will take most of the voltage. And we can see that R2 is the biggest resistance has, so we expecting to take most of the voltage coming from the battery. So let's try that one. It is 0.5 times 10, that will give us 5 volt. For the resistor 1, so we're gonna multiply 0.5 by 3, that will give me 1.5 volt. And for the last one, so we have the 5 ohm, we multiply it with the current, it's 0.5, that will give me 2.5 volt. Now once again, if I add 2.5 plus 1.5, that will give us 4 volt, plus the 5 volt from the second resistor, again giving me back my 9 volt battery. Okay, now the next example, sorry, the second example here, it's a bit different flavor with the circuit. I have 4 resistors connected in series, and one of the resistor is missing. We don't know what is it, but we do know how much is the voltage across R4, the missing one. First of all, asking me to find how much is the battery voltage. Well, because they are connected in series, I know the total voltage of the battery will be V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4, because we said they will share the total voltage. So I have V1 as a 5 plus 8 plus 7 and plus 3. Okay, and we can add them up. So that will give us total 23 volt. That's the total battery provided by this voltage of the battery. Sorry. Now let's try to find the missing resistance. How much is the resistance of R4? Well, it's very nice that in this example you can see the question showing us that the total current going through this circuit is 1 ampere. So following Ohm's law, the current is going to be going through any of these resistors will be the same. So I through resistor 4 will be 1 ampere. From here I can say, all right, let's find R4. It will be the voltage of the fourth resistor divided on the same current, and it will be for the fourth one it's a 3 volt. Fourth one, yeah, and the current is 1. That will give us 3 ohm resistance of R4. Okay, I hope you found this video useful to practice different flavors, and other videos we will practice more and more resistors in series and other version of them. Thank you.